Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun new Dollar Tree seashell wreath. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For this DIY, you're going to need one of the new, cute, fun Dollar Tree seashell wreath forms. They come already painted yellow, and here's the barcode just in case you want to screenshot it. So one seashell wreath form. You're going to need a block of foam, and I picked up my foam at Walmart, but you can pick yours up at Dollar Tree or wherever you would like. And you're going to need some fun flowers. And I cut my block to 6 inches, and I just took some wooden dowels, poked holes in the foam, and I zip tied my foam onto the seashell wreath. I poked a total of 4 holes in my foam, and then I just threaded the zip ties through the foam and zip tied it to the little seashell wreath form, and here's the way it looks. Now I'm just taking some flowers I picked up at Walmart, their Mainstays brand. I think they were a little over $1, and I'm just cutting them into shorter pieces. Next, I'm taking some daisies, I believe they're Gerber daisies, that I picked up for $2 at Dollar General, and just cutting them into shorter pieces. And I believe these came from Dollar Tree. So I just want to take my flowers, cut them into shorter pieces, and I'm choosing a variety of flowers. You want some that are kind of long and slender and petite flowers, and then you want some with bigger flowers like the Gerber daisies. So choose a variety of flowers. Now I'm taking my blue rose, putting one on the left front, then the other one on the right front. And what I do on the left side, I usually do on the right side, or what I do on the top, I usually do on the bottom. So here I'm putting some of the grass on the left top, and then I'm putting another one on the right top. So I just try to make mine match as close as I can. The pretty pink flowers came from Walmart, and you could use a little bit of hot glue on the end of your pick before you push it into the foam if you want. That way it stays just a little better. I don't usually add hot glue to the end of my flowers before I push them into the foam because I like to reuse my flowers, but it'll make you feel better, add a little hot glue before you push it into the foam. And another thing you could do before you start is cover your foam with some moss. The last flowers I just added came from Dollar General. Now I'm going to be tying a bow using 2 colors of ribbon. This is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. Both colors of ribbon came from Sam's Club this spring. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow tutorial playlist. There's lots of different ways to tie bows, and there's lots of different styles of bows. So if you don't like this one, I have a playlist that you can check out, and I can link it in the description box for you. And you'll have to let me know, what do you think so far of this seashell wreath form? Have you seen it at your Dollar Tree, and do you like it? Dollar Tree has lots of cute new things in for summer. I will upload a Dollar Tree shop with me video hopefully tomorrow for you because they have some cute new things. One more thing I'm excited about is they have a mermaid tail wreath form. So have you seen that? And I can't wait to make something with it. Now that I have my bow the size I want, I'm just taking a zip tie, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Now I'm dovetailing the ends, so fold your tail in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It kind of dresses up your bow, or you can just cut it at a slant or a knife cut. Then don't forget to fluff and shape your bow, and there's how it looks. And then I'm going to take, I'm not sure what it's called, but it has a little pick on the end and a wire. So I'm going to take the wire and I'm just wrapping it around the center of the bow, and then I'm going to take that little pick and just push it right into the foam in the center of my arrangement. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this seashell wreath. You'll have to let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you plan on making one, I am also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. So I'd love for you to follow me on those. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And thank you guys that always leave the sweetest comments on my videos. I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope everyone has a great day.